The brush tool allows you to add selective adjustments to your image. Now, you cannot use layers inside of Lightroom, but you can do a lot of customization. It's not all global effects. To access the brush tool, just click on the brush tool once at the top. You'll see a lot of settings there that are mirrored from some of the other panels in Lightroom. If I were to start moving some of the sliders over, nothing is really going to happen. But then, if I start brushing inside of the image, those settings that I just changed have now only applied to that area that I brushed. To add another adjustment, I'll click on New. This time I'm going to change mine to a preset and set it to Burn. I'm going to increase my brush size using the right bracket key, and then brush over an area. Now you can see that I have two pins in the image, and the active one has that black dot, whereas the other one is just gray. If I want to go back and re-edit this area, I just click on it to activate it, and then make my changes. Here's a quick toggle before and after of what those edits look like.